Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set proxy server configuration on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on settings, then go down and tap on Wi-Fi. Now tap on the information button right next to the Wi-Fi name. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on configure proxy. In here you can set it automatic or manual. So let's say if you want to manually put in the proxy server details, so in here you can put in the address. It can be in the form of URL or an IP address. And then you put in the port number. And if the server requires authentication, you need to switch it on and put in the username and password. So I'm just going to put in a test username and password. Next, tap on the save button at the top here. And that's it. So that is how you can manually configure the proxy server. You can also choose automatic with the URL. So test.itjungles.edu, and then tap on saved, and that is the automatic configuration. Now this settings is useful if you are, say, connecting to an education institution or university. Sometimes they need you to connect through a proxy server before you can connect to their network, so that they can filter out certain data information, or they can control what you browse on the internet. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.